often with data consolidate, we may not want to add up data, but show it side by side when we have lots of worksheets or data sources. So here I've evaluated 3 NBA teams on coaching ability, players, management, and owner. So the Knicks, I gave a, let's say a 0 for owner, 5 for management. Okay. Now the Lakers, management's not that bad. Okay. Yeah, management's a 0. I think that's probably true with the Lakers. Okay. And the Warriors, really good. I can't stand them, but 10 on coaching, 9 on players, 10 on management, 10 on owner, even though I just don't like the management or the owner. But Kerr's a great coach. Suppose we want to put this stuff together so we could have side by side, let's call it, a different worksheet. Singing a song side by side. So I go in here, I'll go data, consolidate, sum, and then I'm going to pick out the Lakers stuff. I'm going to pick out the Knicks stuff, and it's got the same range. It doesn't have to, but that makes it easier. And I've got the Warriors at. Now notice the column headings are different. So if I link everything, the stuff should go in different columns, which basically is side by side. So there you go. So we can see how these teams basically stack up on these attributes by my subjective view. Now, if the Lakers got Anthony Davis, maybe they're a 9. Okay, and then side by side, the Lakers players are now a 9. It updates automatically. Really quite cool.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.